From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a jarring alarm that ruins your morning? I've got a solution for you. The spherical alarm clock. And it's a total game changer. This thing is lightning fast, easy to set up, and has a sleek metal frame that looks amazing on my bedside table. One of the things that really stands out about this clock is its silent movement, accurate timekeeping, and high durability, making it perfect for everyday use. The three-dimensional flower carving on the face of the clock is also a nice touch, with a clear and natural texture that adds a bit of elegance to my bedroom. I've been using this alarm clock for a while now, and I can tell you that it's been a huge improvement over my old one. The upgraded snooze function is a lifesaver, giving me an extra 5 minutes of sleep after the alarm time, and the progressive ringtones are really gentle, starting with soft rhythms that gradually get faster, making it easy to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. A lot of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's well reviewed and popular, and for good reason. The base stand is stable, and the clock feels really firm, so I don't have to worry about it tipping over. I've found that the design of the clock is really well thought out, taking into account the need for a gentle wake up, and the result is that I feel more alert and focused in the morning. I've also noticed that the spherical glass and metal pointer add a bit of sophistication to the overall design. Whether you're a light sleeper or a heavy sleeper, this alarm clock is perfect for anyone who wants to start their day off on the right foot. Overall, I'm really impressed with the spherical alarm clock, and I think you will be too, so give it a try and see the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.